Hey guys, I'm gonna do a haircut tutorial because a lot of people asked on my live and I just want to do it, so yeah. Okay, so first I start off with like just spraying my hair, so I get it wet like that, and I make sure I get into all the parts that are like dried, like in my roots and stuff. So, and I make sure it's like flat on my head like this because I like the wet look. I don't like big like volume, like no. Okay, so I'm just going in with brushing it, and I just brush it till all the tangles are out, and I spray my hair with the Aussie leave-in conditioner, and it softens your hair. It's like it helps to tangle, but I mean my hair is always usually detangled by the time I'm putting it in my hair, so yeah. Okay, so next I use the Don't Shrink gel from okay, it didn't get anywhere, so it's okay. But I use the Don't Shrink gel. It has like flaxseed in it, and it helps your hair not like get all like that. I don't know how to explain it, but it helps it not get like really like short, I guess. I don't know. It just keeps my hair like the wet look, like so that my curls don't shrink up and poof up and stuff, and it softens as well. Let me see. Yeah, softens your, and it has flaxseed in it, a flaxseed recipe, so it's really good for your hair. Okay, so the next thing, a lot of people say like, how do I get my curls like to not be frizzy or whatever? So I live in Florida, and there's a lot of humidity and heat, so I use heat and humidity thing, whatever it's called, from this, and I need another one because I'm almost out of it. But yeah, I use this, and it really helps like so that my hair doesn't like poof up in the humidity and stuff, like especially during the summer. So I really love this stuff, and I'm almost out of it, and I kind of just put this like everywhere, like even at the tops and stuff, so yeah. Okay, so next this is the last thing I use, and it keeps my hair like locked in or whatever. I don't know, it kind of makes my hair like crunchy, not crunchy, I don't know how to explain it, but I use Got To Be gel, and it keeps my hair like perfectly in however I keep it like the entire day. So I love this stuff so much, and I kind of get this everywhere as well. So yeah, I love this stuff so much. Also, I have a little bit of damage here, and this is not from the products, guys. This is from straightening my hair. So don't think that your hair is gonna get like damaged from these products. I love this stuff. And then after that, I just take this damaged part, and I get it, and I finger coil it since it's very damaged. And it doesn't usually stay, but it's okay. Yeah, I just do that. So it kind of doesn't really do anything, but yeah. Bye, guys.